Hello, my name is Nicole Bauberger. I have the delightful duty of curating the ADCO Electric Yukon Youth Gallery here at the Yukon Arts Centre until the end of May. And I want to invite you to the Winter Garden. The Winter Garden is an idea I had for the Dalton Trail Gallery, which is a little gallery I make in the woods behind my house. And Kuya Welmanganye, one of my neighbors, a kid, he said to me, "Hey Nicole, are you going to put up something new in the gallery sometime soon?" And I said, "You know, Kuya, I had this idea, but I need kids to do it." "Really?" he said. And so Kuya and his mom and brother and sister and friend all came over to my backyard, and I spread out cardboard bike boxes, and we painted flowers and cut them out and installed them in the Trail Gallery, the Dalton Trail Gallery, and that was the beginning. So at the February Kids Kreate here at the Yukon Arts Centre, I spread out big pieces of cardboard and I invited families to paint and draw anything they thought should be in a garden. And we got flowers and bees and a little green worm and all kinds of wonderful surprises that I can't wait for you to discover in the sculpture garden at the Yukon Arts Centre. The Winter Garden will be on display until the end of April, out there in the snow, because we're probably going to have snow until the end of April. And then we will take them inside, all of those flowers and other things, to make way for the real flowers. And I'll make a three-dimensional installation in the ADCO Electric Youth Art Gallery out of all these wonderful creations on cardboard for the month of May.